Hello, hello, hello. This is Costas, and today I'm gonna show you um, my favorite marketing tool. You see, this is my lead gen, and I have already at the moment I can email about 100 150,000 leads. Okay, uh, but at the moment I'm gonna try to send my message. You see here I have so nice messages, and I'm testing. uh, I'm gonna show you how it's working here. You see, I have emailed 131 for every day I get 200 leads. Okay, the last mail went to 132 1,200 leads. Okay, and it was on 13. Um, I wanted to test. You see, it matters what kind of email you're sending and what kind of subject line you're using, because you're gonna see that some of those emails have a good open rate, some other got a good click-through rate, and the platform is really, really very interesting. You can easily test it even just for you can test it even for 1 month, because you're gonna get for 1 month about 300 leads, and all those 300 leads are really fresh because they're gonna be from the last months, and you don't have to use any advertising. You don't have to create any landing pages or opt-in pages. You just get those leads straight to your to the platform. You can easily, if you want, you can easily get your leads from over here. You see, you can get your leads, and you can get them. Uh, you can get them straight to your computer, and then you can easily uh, use those leads to any other platform that you want, or you can even use them to send an email from your email provider. The point is that at the moment I wanted to test something different from here. You see, from mailing system, I wanted to send an email, because you can even select the mail by date, or you can select mail by lead partner, or you can select all of your leads. Okay. What I wanted to do is to send an email only to the fresh leads. Okay, to see the results. I'm gonna send an email today just to the leads that they are from 2025. They're leads that they're fresh leads. They're people that looking for an online platform to earn money. They're people that they're looking something to earn easily money, and be able to leverage what they know, and AI, and try to promote their offers, or even promote my lead gen. So what I'm gonna do this time, I'm gonna show you. I have already created an email with ChatGPT. Let me find it over here. I got it over here. Okay, just a moment. Okay, I got my email that I created with this prompt. Okay, I can even give you the prompt. If you want, you can email me. You can find me from, you can subscribe to my channel. You're gonna find my email here, and you're gonna find a lot of information about me to this channel. The point is that you can easily contact me, and I can provide any of those tools. Um, and just show you what you can do to leverage AI, and be able to promote even the system itself, or promote any other product or service you want. You see, we got this very nice subject line here. You see, we got even this one, from broke to boss without the BS. it looks very interesting. You see, even this one, the lazy marketer shortcut. I found the money system for lazy people. Um, I can use even this one. I believe that uh, the title, this title, it looks much better. Let's try to get this one. I'm gonna get this one as a line, and I'm gonna add it over here. You see? First, I'm gonna copy the email. Let's get the preview line. I'm gonna drop it over here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how the most of the job is done from AI. Okay, and I'm gonna just grab this one. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this one and paste over here. You see, we got our email ready. Let's remove all emojis from here. You see, I'm gonna remove all those emojis and icons. I don't want to have any kind of icons. I'm gonna grab my link from over here. I'm gonna just add my tracking that today it's 14. So I'm gonna grab this one and drop it anywhere that I like it more. You see, I'm gonna just remove the emojis, and over here you're gonna see I'm gonna paste my link so that it looks much better. You see, and over here I can even add it over here. You see, let me show you. It looks great, so that people are gonna learn about this great opportunity. Okay, here I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. It looks nice here. I'm gonna make it just a little bit bold here, and I'm gonna remove this emoji. And here I can use the first name of the contact, so that hey you, I can remove the hey you and just leave hey name. Okay, and now I'm gonna grab even this one and drop it over here. Click here to start. I can just remove this one and remove even the arrow here, and just paste here my link. So because I need the tracking, I'm gonna make this one 13, and I'm gonna make it new window, and for sure here I want HTTPS to be to look much better. Okay, here this one must be HTTPS too. Okay, I'm gonna take care of that too, and over here I want this one to be HTTPS here too. Okay, the mailer GPT, I got it over here. Let me show you, because I got another link about this one. It's this this link. I'm gonna add it here so that anyone that wants to check it to be able to check this one too, because it's really an interesting tool. It can create easily very interesting emails leveraging AI. I'm gonna put it like that, and it looks okay. It looks great. It's gonna be to a new window, and I'm gonna just move over here, and I got everything ready. Okay, you see here MLGS, sin Mailer GPT. I can even here add my HTTPS link and say that it's gonna go to new window, and here it's gonna be the other one. So I give a complete solution for anyone that wants to start with email marketing, and trust me, it's so as you can see, I got everything ready and ready to move on. I can select this one, perfect timing, because it's gonna calculate the system the perfect timing to send my email. And another one thing that I'm gonna do is just to add my photo down here with a link to uh, hot deal. Let me just paste over here, and I'm gonna make it KD KDA over here. Okay, it looks really interesting. Great. Okay, that's my sign here. Okay, if somebody clicks on my photo, is going to be uh, able to see the hotdeal.com website that I have some great products there with that creates video easily. But the main idea is to send this email to people that they are interested in creating, in making money online the easy way. Let me show you what I'm going to do today. I'm going to try something new. I'm going to select the uh, the mail that they are the new people that they subscribe to different partners that they're sharing those leads with me. Okay, so with this system, you just pay $1 per day and you get 200 leads daily. The point is that those leads, they stack one by the other, so you get a lot of leads during the month. You get about you can get 3,000 leads per month, but you can easily get 6,000 leads per month if you manage to refer even just one person to the platform. Okay, let me show you now. I'm going to select just those people that they opt in 2025 because they are fresh leads, and uh, the most possible is that they didn't use any temporary service, and they didn't use any uh, they didn't cancel their email account. Okay, most of them, they're fresh because we say that they're fresh because they're interested in creating in making money online. Uh, they keep searching, and they're trying to find the best solution, because people usually spend a lot of money online and try different platforms, but this one is one of the cleverest that I can assure you that you can easily leverage and earn your money, not only your money back, because you're gonna pay just $1 per day to get those leads. The point is that you can make a lot of money leveraging AI and taking advantage of this amazing platform. I can show you even my results only from the platform, because I've been using this platform about 1 year and a half. Let me just move here, because you see I have already added some leads from December of 2024. It's okay. It's gonna be those are gonna be the fresh leads, the late leads. So it's okay to use it like that. And I'm gonna just preview my email here. Let's try and send my email like that. Okay, I didn't select all of them. I just wanted to experiment just with almost a half of them. Okay, let's send my email right now, and I'm gonna click send email. You're gonna see that the system just sends the email, and it's gonna try to send the email the right moment and the right timing to my prospects. Okay, let me show you because I can go over here to statistics. I can show you over here how many emails I have sent lately. You see some of them, and to some occasions I have too many opens. You see here, you see you can easily monitor your results so that you know where and what exactly people are interested in, and what people are not interested in, and just change your offer. So you're gonna see now that this opened is gonna start increasing, and yeah, I'm gonna keep having some clicks. It seems like the last one didn't had a lot of clicks. You see, people didn't like my this email, but they liked the previous one. You see, like this one and the other one, and I had even conversion about those emails because um, some people opt in to my to the platform, and I earned uh, $5 for every person that opt in under my account. Okay, um, that was all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Um, I'm gonna show you tomorrow the results from this experiment that I just did, and it's the leads from 2025, and I'm gonna show you how exactly it worked. Okay, that had to do promoting Mailer GPT and my lead gen secret. So it's gonna be very interesting to see um, if I'm gonna have any subscriptions and people to follow me and follow this great system. Thank you very much for watching this video, and in case you're interested in testing and finding more about this great platform, just click to the link that you're gonna find to my description, and I'll see you to the next video. Bye bye.